G'day guys, Sean here from Outback Equipment. Today we're going to be checking out one of the full performance packages from Torqit. We're going to be installing this in my 2020 2-litre bi-turbo Ranger. Let's get stuck straight into it. Each of the full performance four-wheel drive packages from Torqit include three different things. You've got your Power Module Plus, you've got your Pedal Torque, or you can actually upgrade this to the Pedal Torque Plus, which is a Bluetooth version. So you don't actually have any controllers in the cab. It's all just remotely controlled from your phone via Bluetooth. And of course, the 304 grade stainless steel exhaust system. The reason you choose one of these full performance packages from Torqit is it comes with absolutely everything you need to completely change how the vehicle reacts on and off the road. The exhaust system opens it up so it breathes a lot better, get a little bit of extra power out of the exhaust as well. The Power Module Plus is basically like a tune for your vehicle, so you get better fuel economy and more power and torque out of the engine. And of course the throttle controller, the Pedal Torque or the Pedal Torque Plus, gives you that fast response from your throttle that you need when you're out on the road or on the tracks. Torqit make this package super easy to install for any DIYers out there that have a flat surface at home. The exhaust system is just a direct bolt-on. This one we're installing on a 2020 Ford Ranger and it's a DPF backing system. So you can pretty much do it. You don't even need to jack your car up if your car's high enough to get under there. The Power Module Plus, again, is super easy. There's a couple of instructions included so you don't mess up your ECU, but basically it's just plug and play into the engine bay, which we'll show you shortly. And finally, the Throttle Controller, just as easy to install as any other throttle controller on the market. Simply unplug your throttle cable, splice this one in using the included connectors. You don't need to cut or solder any wires. It's just vehicle-specific plugs and you're good to go. Like I said before, we're going to be installing this whole package on my 2020 Ford Ranger. Now it's the 2-litre bi-turbo version, which comes factory with 157 kilowatts of power or 210 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. Now installing this whole package is going to give it a serious power boost. With this whole kit installed on the bi-turbo Ranger, we're going to be looking at around 184 kilowatts of power or just under 250 horsepower, and then a 575 Newton meters of torque figure, which is absolutely insane. I'm really keen to get this installed. Hopefully we can actually feel that power on the road. So let's get down in the shed and we'll put it in. The Torqit Performance exhaust systems have been manufactured to maximize power output and reduce exhaust gas temperature, or EGTs. They're one of the thickest mandrel bent systems available in Australia. The thickness combined with a 304 grade stainless steel produces a deep note and guarantees extreme strength even in the toughest conditions. The exceptional quality of all Torqit exhaust systems is highlighted by their laser-cut stainless steel flanges, which are welded internally and externally, so no slip joints. Heavy-duty bracketry and high-flow diesel-specific cat converters, the design of each individual system focuses on optimizing power and torque, which helps your vehicle to breathe better and last longer. The Pedal Torque throttle controllers make for improved throttle response by adjusting the signal sent to your vehicle's ECU. There are two units available, Pedal Torque and Pedal Torque Plus. Both have customizable settings that give you the ability to finely tune your vehicle's accelerator to suit your personal driving preferences. The compact Pedal Torque unit is fixed to your dash, allowing easy access and adjustable power settings. Alternatively, the Pedal Torque Plus offers wireless Bluetooth controls and the latest technology updates via their Torqit Connect app. The Torqit Pedal Torque Plus uses the same app interface as the Power Module throttle controller, so you can adjust all of your vehicle's settings from one place. The Power Module is a four-wheel drive performance chip that safely unleashes power, torque, and fuel efficiency lost through factory programming in your vehicle's onboard computer. Your vehicle will be under considerable stress when towing heavy loads, and this stress can impact the life of your vehicle. A Power Module reduces that stress, increasing all-round power and torque. Perfect for anyone towing a caravan, boat, or trailer, the Power Module allows your vehicle to perform to its maximum ability. You'll notice the pulling power immediately, enjoying a much smoother driving experience. Every Torqit Power Module is specifically programmed for the vehicle make, model, and engine type. It sits between two existing plugs in your vehicle's fuel operating system. As this is located in different areas depending on the vehicle, ensure that you review your vehicle's specific fitting instructions. Installation is quick and easy, and it took me only about 5 minutes. This unit can be used as a hardwired or Bluetooth controlled module. The best part is you do not have to choose. Once the Power Module is installed in the vehicle, it's automatically set to the highest performance mode. The Bluetooth mode has 3 optimum settings to choose from: economy, Cruise, and Sport, each increasing with power and torque. To alter the tune, download Torqit's Connect app and follow the instructions. I've personally been driving around for the last couple of weeks in Sport mode, and I can notice considerable power gains just from daily driving my vehicle. Each unit has heavy-duty vibration and water-resistant ABS plastic molded houses, so they're perfect to install in your engine bay without having to worry. They come with a 5-year product warranty, which offers you peace of mind, and also does not void your vehicle factory warranty, which is a huge consideration for most people with modern dual cab utes. If you're not happy with the performance coming out of your performance module or any other component in the kit, Torqit actually also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got peace of mind. Overall, I'm absolutely stoked about how the vehicle came out with the modifications that we did from Torqit. The exhaust, the power module, and the pedal torque, it all combined makes such a massive difference to the drivability of this car. My favorite component, I think I've got to say, is probably the power module. Taking this thing for a drive after we installed that and putting it in sport mode, it was like a completely different car. And I've got peace of mind knowing that it doesn't void my factory warranty, even though this car's only about a year old. As always, you can pick up any of these Torqit performance parts or the kit as a whole every day of the week from outbackequipment.com.au. If you've got any questions and you'd like us to answer it, drop a comment down below and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one.